Hey YouTube, it's Lewis with Rosebud's Travels. The purpose of this video is to fill you in on some coming changes, more like additions to the Katy's Casita Closet company. This Saturday, July the 30th, we are training Doug with Casita Works to be able to install the closets. So after that training on Saturday, Doug will be an authorized installer of Katy's Casita closets, and he will have some closets available at his place for install. So what that means going forward is that we will have 4 places in Texas that you can get a Katy's Casita closet installed. And I'm going to list all of those places, and you can arrange to have them installed at any of those 4 places. So the first place you can have it installed is in Houston, Texas, and I live in Houston, and Katy lives in Houston, and you can have the closet installed at our place. You can also have the closet installed in Kempner, Texas, at Frank Knight's house, and he has a ranch out in Kempner, and that's about an hour north of Austin. And then the other place you can get a closet installed is Little Hum on the Road, which is in Haslett, Texas, which is kind of northwest of Fort Worth. And so it's Little Hum on the Road, and that's the third place. And then coming up after this Saturday, Casita Works, and they're in Bryan, Texas. And Casita Works has a website. Little Hum on the Road has a website. Katy's Casita Closets has a website. If you want to have a closet done either in Houston or at Frank's in Kempner, you go through the Katy's Casita Closet website and contact us and set that up. So that's really all I wanted to let you know, is that there's some exciting things happening, and we're making it even easier to have a closet installed in Texas. So that's what I wanted to tell you. We'll see you in the next video.